Hello there, I am Dr CN Okolugbo. You're welcome to my YouTube channel where we'll be solving problems relating to business mathematics, business statistics, analysis for business decision, as well as other related topics. I want to encourage you as you go through these videos with me, you have your paper, your pen, and your calculator to solve these problems with me. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos that we'll be uploading. Thank you. Hello, thank you very much. We have an interesting case of solving a problem with chain rule as regards differential calculus. And as you can see on the workboard, we want to resolve this problem as much as we can, so that when you see such kind of question in any situation, you should be able to solve the problem. Let's solve this problem together. We're given that y is equal to the cube root of these function. And when you're given something like this, one of the first things you should do is to rewrite this function so that it's easier for you to deal with. And in this case, I'm going to say rewrite. And in rewriting, it becomes y is equal to x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 10 all raised to the power 1 all over 3. So this is writing it again. So instead of having the square root, I have removed the square root. Remove this cube root. I represented the cube root by raising it to 1 over 3. Now in case you have 4 here, it will become 1 over 4. If you just a square root, then it becomes 1 all over 2. Now we now have a composite function, so that we say let the composite function be what? Be u, so that we're representing this whole function by u. So it becomes y is equal to u raised to the power 1 all over 3, and u is equal to x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 10. As we know about the chain rule, we find the derivative of y and the derivative of u and multiply the product. So what we now do is find dy du is going to be 1 all over 3 u raised to power, if we have minus 1 here, 1 over 3 minus 1 will give us minus 2 all over 3. All right, let's solve that simply here. So we have 1 all over 3 minus 1. This is 1 over 1. So 3 is the LCM. 3 and 3 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 3 and 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 gives us minus 2 all over 3. That's how we have minus 2 all over 3 here. And then we know that du dx, by differentiating u based on x, is going to be, what do we have here? We have 3x raised to the power 2. That's the first one. Plus, what's the next one? 4x. Then what's this one? Differentiating x plus 1. X becomes 1. All right. So this is the value. So dy dx will now be this, what we have here, multiplied by this. So this becomes 1 all over 3 u raised to the power minus 2 all over 3 multiplied by, we have 3x raised to the power 2 plus 4x plus 1. That's what we have. So having got this, where do we go from here? We have this on its own, standing on its own, and this one is already attached to this. So we can multiply this by this value and leave our answer with what we have here. So what is going to be is that we are going to multiply this by this value first of all. And if we multiply this by all the contents here, what you are going to have will be okay, let's write out everything. So we have 1/3 into what is u? U is x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 10 plus 10, all right, raised to the power minus 2 all over 3. Okay, then we also have times 3x raised to the power 2 plus 4x plus 1. All right, since we have this, let's multiply this by this. If we multiply this by this, we are going to have 1/3 times 3 raised to the power 2. That leaves us with 3. We'll cancel out 3. So that leaves us with x raised to the power 2. All right, are you getting that? 3 will cancel out 3. So we are left with x raised to the power 2 plus 3 and 4. 1/3 times 4/3. That leaves us with 4/3 x. All right, then this times this, that's 1/3 times 1, that gives 1 all over 3. So that's what we have, multiplied by x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 10 raised to the power minus 2 all over 3. All right, now because we're having minus 2 all over 3, it means it's going to be, we're going to change it to a fraction. That it means that this should go under. This will, according to laws of indices, we can rewrite this. This will stand. Well, we will write this by saying we're going to have this as x raised to the power 2 plus 4 all over 3 x plus, there should be plus here, plus 1 all over 3 divided by all this, divided by x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 10 into 2 all over 3. But then they've got this multiply. So all this now will now go under because it's 1 all over all this. Those are this raised to the power. Now let's rewrite this. We're going to rewrite this. The answer will be x all raised to the power 2 plus 4 over 3 x plus 1 all over 3 divided by the square root of x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 10 all cubed. So raised to the power 3. So this is the answer. We have rewritten this as this. And this is the answer that we have for this question. Please go through this solution again. Go through it over and over, and so you can gain a mastery of how to solve problems with composite functions and dealing with chain rules with differential calculus. God bless you.